In this video you can clearly see Indian soldiers walking over a destroyed home. Indian army bombed this home where an innocent family lived for no reason at all. While the Indian soldiers are at the bombing site, voice can be heard in the background which is coming from the wreckage calling for help. In this scene you can clearly see a sign of life in this wreckage. Hand is clearly visible. But instead of helping the survivor of this brutal bombing, just look what the brave Indian soldiers do. As you have seen, incidents like this are a matter of everyday life in Indian-occupied Kashmir, yet the human rights organizations are reluctant to take any action against Indian state terrorism. But we can make the difference. Please share this video with your friends and family for the sake of humanity. Share it till the independence of Indian-occupied Kashmir. Long live humanity.